Ever glanced at your peace lily or pothos and thought, why are your leaves yellow? Don't panic. Those sad fading leaves are not random drama, they're your plant's way of whispering, screaming, something's wrong. Grab your watering can and curiosity and let's investigate. Let's play plant detective and uncover 11 sneaky reasons your houseplants are yellowing and how to fix them. Your snake plant or spider plant might look innocent up top, but if water is pooling at the bottom, it's bad news. Soggy soil suffocates roots, and the plant repays you with limp yellow leaves. Use a chunky, well-draining mix and pots with real drainage holes so excess water can escape. Sometimes your monstera or rubber plant isn't dying, it's just retiring a few old leaves. As plants grow, older lower leaves naturally yellow and fall off to make room for new ones. If it's only the oldest leaves, trim them off and let fresh growth shine. When your philodendron or ferns are thirsty, their leaves turn dry, crispy, and yellow. The soil pulls away from the pot's edge as the plant starts dropping leaves to conserve energy. Do the finger test. If the top inch of the soil feels dry, give it a thorough drink. Too much love from the watering can is just as dangerous. Overwatered pothos or calatheas often get soft yellow leaves because their roots are suffocating in soggy soil. Stop watering, check for drainage, and if the soil smells funky or feels swampy, repot into a fresh, airy mix. Tropical divas like fiddle-leaf figs and alocasias hate surprise cold gusts. A drafty window, door, or AC blast can trigger yellow leaves overnight. Move them to a warmer, draft-free corner and keep temperatures and humidity as steady as you can. Low light lovers like peace lilies can handle shade, but not a dungeon. Yellowing lower leaves often mean your plant is desperate for more light. Shift it closer to a bright window or add a grow light so it can actually photosynthesize. If your pothos or Dieffenbachia looks pale yellow all over, it may be hungry, especially for nitrogen. But overdoing fertilizer can burn roots and cause more yellowing. Use a balanced, diluted fertilizer on a schedule, and remember that gentle and consistent beats heavy-handed. Succulents may worship the sun, but shade plants like ferns or calatheas do not. Intense rays can scorch their leaves, leaving yellow patches and crispy brown edges. Classic plant sunburn. Move them to filtered or indirect light, like an east-facing window. Even if you water and feed perfectly, your plant can't use nutrients if the soil pH is off. When soil is too acidic or too alkaline, a normally healthy fiddle-leaf fig may start yellowing. A simple pH test and adjustment can completely change how your plant takes up nutrients. Blotchy, twisted, or weirdly patterned yellow leaves can signal a viral infection. There's no cure, so your best move is to isolate the plant and sterilize tools to protect the rest of your collection. In this case, prevention and hygiene are everything. Compacted, cramped, or rotting roots can quietly wreck your plant from below. When the roots are in trouble, your pothos or ZZ plant will often turn yellow fast. Gently slide it out of the pot. If the roots are dark, mushy, or smelly, trim them and repot into fresh, well-draining soil. Those yellow leaves aren't random, they're warnings. Catch the signal early, and you can turn a struggling houseplant back into a lush, thriving little jungle. If this helped you decode your plant's drama, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss what your plants are trying to tell you next.